First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Parit for organizing such a wonderful workshop. Actually, this is a bit different kind of workshop than other workshops that we used to attend. It's like you just come and directly go inside the operation room and scrub and see live. Not only see live, you get to scrub in, so that you have a direct access to whatever is happening. And Dr. Parit is such a well-skilled surgeon, especially in ear reconstruction, that he taught us all the details of the surgery. So in just 3 days of this workshop, now I'm so confident that I can go back and do by myself. And I'm already ready for that. And I think he cleared all my doubts, and whatever doubts we had, he cleared it in such a nice way that it was easy to understand actually for us. And this is the first time I am seeing the ear reconstruction live. I had ideas, but I had never seen the surgery. But first time I saw, and now I'm so confident in first time also. So a big thanks to both our mentors, Dr. Parit and Dr. Arun. Looking forward to see you again.